Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
Oh, look. There she is. That's me. Hi, Courtney. You were first on there. Shane, you're purple. Hi, guys. I hope everybody is doing good. Thank you so much for waiting, for your patience. Been quite the day. Quite the day. That's what I will say. Quite the day. Anyways, let's get right into it, shall we? Let's get right on into it. Hi, Cellulite Yoga Pants, Brooklyn. Thank you. You guys are too sweet. Let's get right on into it. Let's travel by a little flu powder, not floozy powder. Maybe. But anyways, diddly-doo, diddly-doo, diddly-doo. I hope you guys have had a nice Saturday. It feels like a different day of the week. I'm really unsure. Everything was a little off today, but I'm so glad that we're together right now. That's the best part, isn't it? Just spending time together. And watching court, watching people who have made worse decisions than you and I have. That's what makes it great, baby. So fun. So, let's go ahead, check out some of these first appearances where people are coming straight to terms with what they've done. Apparently not in any quick fashion.
Morning, can everyone hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Judge, but oh, no. Adam, 8 months. Feels like longer than that, but we are so glad that you found us too. All right, I'm sorry, guys, but we are skipping ahead of the interpreter because it only reminds me about Cellulite Yoga Pants. Thank you so much. By the way, your card is coming, but in true Paisley fashion, it will be late. Because interpreter cases remind me of failing Spanish in school. There's no other way to put it. Nothing to it but to do it. Let's get going.
All right.
All right.
So I would like us to do, Deputy Daniel, I would like us to do yesterday and then we can do today. So
Okay.
12:25 and then
I'm sorry,
12:26, please.
When do we
It's
get a
gonna make things
redo?
go faster.
Okay, so you don't want to do the disciplinary first?
The,
We got a couple of disciplinary inmates that we need to do first.
To get done first.
That we need to do first. We got about 3.
all right, well, let me do the ones from yesterday first and then I'll do the one from today.
All right. Who does she have from yesterday that's disciplinary? Made this first appearance.
Who did you have?
Nah, y'all gotta go in there. Hold on, we're gonna get the females. She
They
wants to do
gotta
them
sort it
first.
out. They gotta sort it out.
The
I'm
people
having
from
coconut
yesterday
shrimp
first,
salad
and
for
then-
dinner. Does anybody want any?
Yeah.
The coconut shrimp
Give them
are
their names. Give them their
pre-made, and I'm
names.
gonna air
What you
fry
want?
them.
She wants to do the people that was.
I'm
What's
gonna
the-
use
what's
my
the-
new slap
her
chopper,
first list.
mandolin
This
chopper
house,
for all the salad.
She doesn't want to
Come
just
on.
do.
What the female, they don't have, we got Baker, we're Baker.
Oh my
Miss Baker.
God, commotion.
Baker, come on.
Baker, come on, yeah. Oh, Baker.
All right, we can start with Baker, ma'am.
Baker, candlestick maker.
You don't need to take off.
I'm the baker. actually.
Yeah, up to the computer.
Maureen, what is your name?
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name, sir?
Seven Baker.
All right, Mr. Baker, I'm gonna have to continue your case till tomorrow. There were some issues with the warrant that needs to be fixed. Hopefully the officer will get it done today and we will see you tomorrow, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
I just had one thing to say. Can I please be let out?
I'm sorry.
Can I please be let out?
So I cannot address your charges today. They're gonna be addressed tomorrow, okay? At that time, that judge will decide what they're gonna do with regards to the bond.
Oh, now that you ask.
All right, you take care.
Come on, Mr. Noble. Where's Jonathan Newton? Okay. Come on, Newton. Come on, right there. He's coming up next, Ron. Okay. Jimmy Lee Noble.
Okay, is he from yesterday's calendar or today's calendar?
12/26. Everybody
Okay.
else should be from 12/26.
Yeah, I got, hey, I got to be quiet, y'all, I supposed to be quiet. Please be quiet.
All right, give me 1 second.
Hush.
Streamlabs doesn't recognize stickers, Mikey, but I do. Do. Thank you so much. How's it going? It's going okay. Better than this guy who's, I think, in jail in Christmas.
Mr. Noble, you are charged with riot in a penal system
Penal what?
and a simple battery. Bond for the riot is $5,000 and for simple battery it's $2,500. Your total bond amount is $7,500. Your next court date, sir, is January 21, 2026. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel, sir, and I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you. All right, Mr. Noble?
Okay, come on, Mr. Noble. Mr. Newton, Jonathan Newton from 12.
Sorry?
Jonathan Newton from 12/26.
Okay, I have this Mr. Newton from yesterday.
Was yesterday 12/26? That's the question I have. Mikey, I'm glad to hear you're feeling a bit better. I heard you weren't feeling so good earlier. So, also thank you again. I don't know why Streamlabs doesn't show the stickers. Super weird. CRD loves tea. Sorry, let me pick up my jaw. Missed you, buddy. How long has that been? Nice to see you. And Mikey, thank you. Your sticker said, how's it going? I did read that. It was a pair jumping with a sign that said, how's it going? And I said, it's going pretty good. How are you? Thank you again. Apparently that's just a sneaky way of people getting people to send super chats instead of super stickers. No, I'm kidding. Thank you so much. And CRD loves tea. So great to see you. Amazing. We love it. We love it.
It is yesterday, but it's yesterday.
Yeah. I'm sorry?
Yes, ma'am, it's yesterday.
Okay, if you guys can just let me know if it was yesterday's calendars or today, because I have separated them. So I just need to know so we speed things up, okay? What's your name?
Jonathan Newton.
All right, Mr. Newton, you're charged with unlawful act of violence in a penal institution. Your bond is $5,000. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel, sir. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your next court date is January 21, 2026.
I wanna, hey, look, pay lower my bond at 3,000. That's all I come for.
Your bond is $5,000. All
What's
right,
that? What'd that come out to be?
15% of whatever that the bonding company.
I see, all right.
All right, Mr. Newton, you take care. Thank you.
Next will be Rodriguez Whitlock.
Rodriguez Whitwap.
He's on today's calendar.
Whitwap.
Today's calendar.
CRD, that's awesome. White Rock is
He's
beautiful.
on yesterday's.
He's on yesterday's.
And yes, the legend.
But our calendar is.
You know what?
I
One
think there's
point
just
I
a little bit
thought
of
that-
confusion because
that
our
was
calendar
Mikey's
says
actual
12/25,
last name.
12/26, so technically he's on our today's calendar.
That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, those come
Right.
through. Oh my God, look at his hair. Oh
Good
my
morning,
God.
what is your name?
Pause.
Roderick.
First of all, thank you,
Come on,
Mikey.
Rick.
I need, there we go. I might be able, I think I can recreate it. I think I can recreate it. I don't have as much hair as I used to do these things, but I do believe that I can do it. Okay? Now you sent one of everything, but not one of every color. I joke. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, Mikey. Seriously. Okay, hold on. I got the little, these guys are gonna stick out and be part of our little sticky outy things. I'm gonna have some like this, and then I'm almost I'm cellulite yoga pants. You're always making me laugh. And what do I do here? ATM robbery? No, I've been working all day, so I've not seen almost anything. Oh, I went the wrong way. I gotta go this way and come through here to make it sort of crazy. That's as good as I can get. That's a hard hairstyle. I'm not sure how he's done this, to be honest. But, well, I'm not knocking it. There's nobody knocking it. I'm just trying to replicate it for posterity, CRD. I'll have to check that out after Brooklyn. And thank you again, Mikey. We love... Oh, it's braided. Yeah, you're probably right, Rodney. I don't have time to do that. Nor the skill. Nor the hair. Honestly. Good, somebody got it. Excellent. We love it when people get memberships around here. Thank you again, Mikey.
It's on.
All right, Mr. Whitlaw, you are charged with items prohibited by inmates. I'm unfortunately not able to give you a bond this morning. You do have a bond hearing date on January 23rd, 2026, and you have a preliminary hearing date on January 21, 2026. I did review your application for court-appointed counsel, sir. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you on this charge. All right, Mr. Whitlock, you take care, okay?
All right.
All right, go on, Mr. Whitlock. Thank you. Okay, Judge. All right, let us try to clear up the confusion. So now we're gonna start with the females, but just so we understand, how do you want us to line them up?
So I just want to
I
see the
would go
folks
with
from.
maybe smallest to biggest, or what do you think? Which way would you prefer to see all the females lined up? Alphabetical. How about booty size? Could we do booty size? From like flat to juicy, you know, maybe? Or, I don't know. I'm just trying to think outside the box. Oh, box. We could do box size, but that would require probably a little more investigation than people want.
Yesterday is the calendar I had yesterday's folks and today's folks separated on it.
Okay, what does your yesterday's calendar start with?
Well,
We can have,
started with Are We Y'all in Us? And then it went on to Baker, Juanita Baker.
okay, so grab Baker, Betzel, and Butts. Baker,
All right.
and hopefully that'll be the same order as yours.
All right, sounds good.
Baker, Betzel, but.
Baker?
Right here.
Good morning. What is your name?
How can you say that again, ma'am?
What's your name, please?
Juanita Baker.
Let's call.
All right, Ms. Baker, you were charged with theft by conversion. The bond amount on that is $1,000. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your next court date is January 20th, 2026. All right, Ms. Baker?
Okay.
All right, you take care.
Betzel.
All right.
Oh, she gone.
They said she went home.
She gone.
So then you get.
She went to Fulton.
You done, man?
She went to Fulton County? No, you gotta stay out of Fulton County.
Who else should we?
Okay, now he go at 5.
Hicks,
Five.
Hicks, Jeter.
Hicks and Jesus.
Good morning. What is your name?
Familiar Blitz.
I'm sorry?
Familiar Blitz.
Well, here's
Butts.
Butts.
You are charged with criminal damage property in the second degree. The bond on that is $2,000. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. Give me 1 second.
Here.
Your next court date will be January 20th, 2026. Do you have
Okay.
any questions for me?
No, thank you.
All right, take care.
Yana,
Yes,
that's who she got transferred to Solar.
I'm sorry.
That's who. That's who.
Don't worry about it.
She got, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Like,
transferred to Fulton.
She
she got transferred to Fulton.
Damn.
Okay, so is she coming back to the jail or,
I'm not trimming.
okay, because she didn't make a bond from our jail to that jail, so we're gonna have to keep track on her. So I'm gonna continue. Do you have an idea of?
No, ma'am.
Ms. Gordon, Judge Gordon, she was only a wanted person located. She had no charges out of Clayton. We can move
Okay.
on to her.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning, what's your name?
Leanne Hicks.
All right, what's your name?
Good morning.
Good morning. You're charged with simple battery, family violence, and terroristic threats. The bond for the simple battery, family violence is $1,000. The bond from the terroristic threats is $1,000 as well. Your total bond amount is $2,000. You are to stay away from Randy Smith. Your next court date is January 20th. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. All right, Ms. Hicks, do you have any questions for me?
I could barely hear you in the beginning. I do have bond.
You want me to repeat?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't know if the charges were a felony and if I had a bond or not.
Okay, so you have a simple battery family violence, that's a misdemeanor charge. You also have a terroristic threats, that's a misdemeanor. You're to stay away from Randy Smith. The total bond amount is $1,000 on each of these. So it's a total for $2,000. Your next court date is January 20th, and I did approve you for court appointed counsel. Do you
With the
wanna-
Randy Smith, my baby, he's got my baby. Is there anything that can be worked on with that? Cause I want my baby as soon as I go home.
I understand that. You're stay away from him, okay?
So I
it
can
doesn't
call like a
pertain to-
mama of his and be like, hey, I'm coming to get him.
It doesn't pertain to the baby, it pertains to Mr. Smith, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Thank you.
next court date is January 20th. Do you want to keep that court date or waive that court date? I'm gonna go ahead and keep it for you, okay? It doesn't affect your bond. All right, Ms. Hicks, you take care.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God. Prayers for the baby.
Good morning,
Oh my
what
God.
is
I
your
thought she was
name?
wearing a neck pillow.
I'm sorry?
Miss Jenner,
What's your first name?
Deborah.
All right, give me 1 second.
That's it.
I can't stop thinking about my dinner. Oh my God. It's going to be so delicious.
All right, Ms. Jenner, you are charged with violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act. There are 2 counts of those. You're also charged with a possession of a controlled substance and a possession of drug-related objects. I'm unfortunately not able to give you a bond on any of these charges this morning. You do have a bond hearing date of January 23rd, 2026. You are currently on probation. Your next hearing date is
on probation, no ma'am.
your next hearing date is January 21, 2026. It shows here that you were placed on probation in August of 2025.
No ma'am, no ma'am, I completed that, that's completed, I went to rehab for that and everything. I have.
I understand, Ms. Jetter. However, on my end, it's showing that you're on 12 months probation as of August 12, 2025,
Oh.
okay? All right, so that's what we have here. So your bond hearing date is 1/23/26, and your preliminary hearing date is January 21,
So I don't have a bond
2026.
now?
No, ma'am, you do not have a bond on any of these charges. Your next court date again is January 21 for the preliminary, January 23rd for the bond, and I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. All right, Ms. Jenner?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you take care.
Yikes. Oh
Good
my
morning. What is your
God.
name?
Christy Morrow.
There is cheesecake left
All
over.
right, Ms.
Just a
Morrow.
little bit.
You are charged with simple battery. The bond on that is $1,500. You are to stay away from Arlene Morrow. I did review the application you made for court appointed counsel, ma'am. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your next court date is January 20th, 2026. Are you going to keep your court date or waive your court date?
My court date is fine, ma'am.
Okay, all right. You take care, Ms. Morrow.
That was a $1,000 bond.
1,500.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good morning. What is your name?
Angelina Reno.
All right, Miss Reno, give me 1 second.
She got her sleeves
battery.
rolled.
Your bond is $2,500. You're to stay away from Tommy Lee De Luna. I did review the application you made for court appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. You have a preliminary hearing date of January 20th, 2026. Are you going to keep that court date or waive that court date?
I'll keep it.
All right, you take care, Miss Reno.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She seems like she's been in before. She got her sleeves rolled up like they did in The Outsiders.
Good morning. What is your name?
Audrey Terry.
All right,
Say
Miss Perry,
what?
you are charged with battery. The bond on that is $2,500. You're also charged with criminal trespass. The bond is $1,500. The total amount for your bond is $4,000. You are to stay away from Jawan Box, and you're not to return to 1624 Norman Drive.
Please don't tell me that she just said Joanna Box. That is not what she just said, is it? Is that what she just said? Stay away from Joanna Box?
500. The total amount for your bond is $4,000. You are to stay away from Jawan Box, and you're not to return to 1624 Norman Drive. Your next court date is January 20th, 2026. I did review the application for court appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you want to keep your next court date or waive your court date?
Keep it.
All right, Ms. Terry, you take good care.
Stay away from that box.
Good morning. What is your name?
David Williams.
Deja Williams. All right, Ms. Williams, you are charged with criminal trespass. The bond on that is $1,000. You're not to return to 510 Valley Hill Road. I did review the application you made for court appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your next court date is January 20th, 2026.
If I, am I eligible for a car? Cause I mean, I don't have no way out of here and my mom's sick and she can't get me out. She
I
just had to show-
understand. I understand. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do that this morning. This is, however, the 15% to the bonding company that I previously spoke about.
So how
It's
much
not-
will it be if I go for a bond company?
I can't give you the exact amount of money, but I know it's 15% off this,
So
okay?
my bond only 1,000, you said, just 1,000?
It's 15% off that. It depends on what that total amount is through the bonding company, okay?
Yeah, so if I waive my court date, I'll have a court date before January 20th, right?
No, the next court date you have is January 20th, 2026. It doesn't affect your bond or anything else. All right, Ms. Williams?
Yeah.
She
All right,
don't- she
all right, you
don't
take
get
care,
it.
okay?
Yeah, so if I waive it, do they affect my bond?
It does not.
I wanna waive it.
Okay, all right.
I wanna waive it so I can have a court date before. Yeah,
There's
where?
no other court date. Just to be clear, you don't have another court date, okay? If you waive it, you'll get your next court date after that one in the mail, okay?
Oh, never mind, never mind. Never mind.
All right,
I don't wanna waive it. I don't wanna waive it. I don't wanna waive it.
all right, Ms. Williams, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Alicia Williams.
Alicia.
Williams.
All right, Ms. Williams, you're charged with criminal trespass. The bond on that is $1,000. You are to stay away from Kateria Jackson. Your next court date is January 20th, 2026. I am approving you for court appointed counsel. Do you want to keep your court date or waive your court date?
Keep it.
All right, take good care, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
It should be Williams.
Yeah.
The last Williams on the first
Okay,
page.
so that's all.
That's all, the first page.
Yes, okay, all right, I got you.
Good morning. What is your name?
Antonio Charles.
Are those sunglasses? Are they just dirty glasses? What's going on?
Antonio.
Marcus Charles.
All right. 1 second.
Yeah, we doing your order.
Is that what's happening, Rodney?
Can you repeat your name?
Antonio Marcus Charles.
Sure. Okay. All right, Mr. Charles, you're charged with violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act. The bond on that first charge is $3,500. You have a second charge of violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act. The bond on that is also $3,500. Your total amount for your bond is $7,000. Your next court date is January 21st, 2026. I did review the application you made for court appointed counsel, sir. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you take good care.
Going back to the second, going back.
So, let's go.
Sorry, my phone, my webcam creed
What's your name,
there for
sir?
a minute.
Joshua Compton. Back to where you. So they do so.
All right, Mr. Compton, you're charged with failure to have a headlight. The bond on that is $500.
Failure to have a
Traffic control
headlight.
device violation. The bond on that is also $500. You have a reckless driving charge. The bond is $2,000. You have an aggressive driving charge. The bond is $500. You have a no turning signal. The bond is $500. Improper passing, $500. Fleeing, it's $2,500. No driver's license, $500. You have two violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act charges. The bond on each of those is $2,500, and you have a possession of a drug-related object. The bond on that is $1,000. You give me 1 second, I can give you the total approximate amount of the bond. Your next court date while we're doing that is January 21st, 2026. I did review the application for court appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you.
Yeah, that shit don't
Right?
fly
Give
in
me 1
Georgia.
second.
That shit don't fly in Georgia and stay out of Fulton County. That's my advice to you people.
All right, the total approximate
She said
amount
aye.
that I have here is $13,500. All right, Mr. Compton.
13,500?
I got a bond for everything.
Yeah. Yeah, it sounds like you pissed off the cop, bro. Sounds like you crossed the line and they're making a point of it. Was he even... Wait, hold on, though. Didn't she say the first charge was no headlight? Oh. Oh, dumbass Paisley. That's a car headlight, not a headlamp. Okay. All right, I haven't eaten. All right, you gotta give me some grace.
Yes, you do.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
All right, you're welcome.
Oh, Shandy, oh, girl.
Come on, go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, Deputy, can you guys just let me know what date we're on?
It's still, first page.
We still
Unfortunately, I'm on no date.
we still on first page.
I'm sorry.
No date.
I don't have my paper to tell it.
I'd like to be on a date.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry, sir. What is your name?
Elias Dozier.
Let me see. You still the first.
All right, Mr. Dozier.
You still the first page. You go behind. You go back and you go.
All right, Mr. Dozier, you are charged with criminal trespass, family violence. The bond is $2,500. Can you hear me, sir?
Uh-huh.
You're to stay away from 1206 Gardenwood Drive, 30349. Your next court date is January 20th. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
Can I have somebody go pay the bond as soon as possible?
You can. I did also appoint an attorney to represent you, okay?
Okay.
All right, are you gonna keep your court date or are you gonna waive it?
I'm gonna keep it. What's the difference? If I bond out, I just gotta keep that court date?
If you bond out, then the court date goes away if you don't want to come back to court, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna just bond out.
Okay. All right, well, I'm gonna keep this court date free. If you have any other questions, talk to your attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right, take care.
Ready to set.
All right, sir, what is your name?
It was 38 today. I
Mr.
woke
Grant,
up to
Brandon
frost
Grant?
outside.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Grant, you're charged with obstruction. The bond is 1,000, marijuana less than an ounce. The bond is also $1,000. The total amount is 2,000. I did appoint an attorney to represent you, and your next court date is January 20th. Do you want to keep the court date or waive the court date?
How much is the bond altogether?
$2,000.
Okay. I can pay the bond.
All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep the date for you, okay?
Humble brag. I can pay my bond, bitch.
All right, you take care. All right, what is your name, sir?
My name's Nolan Green.
Mr. Green, you're charged with terroristic threats. The bond is $1,000. You have to stay away from Alan Burks. I did review the application for court appointed. I am gonna appoint an attorney. Your next court date is January 20th. Are you gonna keep your court date or waive your court date?
Can you call Bonnie?
How much my bond is?
It's $1,000, sir.
A 1,000? So I
Yes,
made a,
sir.
I
It's
made a bond.
$1,000. I'm gonna keep the court date for you, okay?
Okay, what it was,
All right.
though?
You
What
take
the-
care.
What the court date was?
It's January 20th.
Okay, I bond out. Thank you.
All right.
What the court
You
date
too.
was. What the court date was. The sentence
Good morning, sir.
structure.
What is your name?
Brendel.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. What's the last name? You said Jenkins?
Diggs.
Okay. Mr. Jenkins, you
Diggs.
have a driving without insurance. The bond is 1,000. A window tint violation. The bond is 500. You have an open container violation. The bond is 500. You have a DUI less safe. The bond is 5,000. You have driving on a suspended license. The bond is 1,500. A no tag violation. It's 500. No taillight. It's 500, and improper lane change. It's 500. Give me 1 minute. I can give you the total amount of that.
Cops were
Doing
not
that, sir, I
playing
did
last
review the
night.
application you have for court appointed attorney. I am going to go ahead and approve that for you today, sir. Your next court date for this is January 20th, 2020.
I didn't hear the bond.
I'm calculating the bond.
So he like.
Did you hear
he's
the
trying to
bond
do
on
a
each of the
dating show
charges?
here.
Yeah.
Okay, so the total approximate amount I have on my end is $10,000.
You said 10,000?
Yeah. All right, and your next court date, did you hear all of that information?
Say it again.
Say,
Did you hear
say
information
what?
with regards to your next court date?
No.
All right, your next court date is January 20th, 2026.
Hey, Jim.
All right?
All right.
All right.
I think she's covering it with papers, Adam. That's my theory, anyways. Oh my god. Shit.
Good morning, what is your name?
Lewis.
All right, Mr. Lewis, you're charged with simple assault. The bond is 1,500. Simple battery, it's 2,500. Obstruction, it's 2,500. And loitering, it's 1,500. Give me 1 second. I'll give you the total amount.
Did she just say 1,500 for loitering? Get
Total approximate
down.
amount is $7,500. Your next court date is January 21st, 2026. I did review the application for court appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent. All right, Mr. Lewis, you take good care, okay?
What if I can't pay?
Then you stay in jail.
What if I can't pay the money?
If you can't pay the money, you'd have to wait for your court date.
AKA you stay in
All right,
jail.
Mr. Lewis.
Hi, grammar school. Thanks for the raid.
Good morning, what is
Stay
your
in
name?
school.
McNeil, Deontay McNeil.
All right, Mr. McNeil, you're charged with theft by taking. The bond on that is $2,000.
Theft
Your
by
next
taking.
court date is
No,
January
no, no.
20th, 2026. I am going to approve you for court appointed counsel. Are you going to keep your court date or waive your court date?
I could bind that today though, right?
Yes, doesn't affect the court date.
All right, yeah, thank you.
Okay, all right, you take good care.
All right, thank you.
Hi guys, thanks for being here. Welcome. Hit the
Good
like
morning.
button.
What is your name?
My name is Spencer Mansell.
All right, Mr. Mansell, you're charged with loitering. The bond is $1,000. Your next court date is January 20th, 2026. I am going to approve you for court appointed counsel.
Hold on. First of all, Erica, late fee and note received. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Secondly, Beverly, have a good time playing Fallout. No worries at all. I love that you love gaming. Thirdly, loitering is expensive in Georgia. Also, I'm confused. I guess I'm confused. Is loitering like persistent? Like hanging around persistently? Or because trespass after warning would be like they refuse to leave, but how do you charge somebody? I mean, I'm confused. I'm confused. Can you tell I'm not a lawyer?
Next.
Good morning. What is your name?
Mitchell.
What's your first name, sir?
Mitchell.
What's your first name?
Stefan.
All right, Mr. Mitchell, you're charged with theft by taking and obstruction and criminal trespass. For the theft by taking, the bond is $3,000. The obstruction is $2,000, and the criminal trespass it's $1,500. Total bond is approximately $6,500. Your next court date is January 21st, 2026. I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you. All right, Mr. Mitchell, you take care.
Loitering, I see cellular yoga pants, like a public park or something like that. Oh my gosh.
Morning, sir. What is your name?
DeVarge, right? Hey, for the second list. Hey, for the second list.
I'm sorry, sir. What is you said Javarish Ray?
DeVarge, right? R-A-Y.
Okay, all right, Mr. Ray, you're charged with simple assault family violence. The bond is $2,500. I also have a simple battery family violence of $2,500. The total bond is $5,000. You are to stay away from Tricia Ray, and you are not to return to 19 Fifth Drive in Riverdale. Next court date is January 20th, 2026. All right, are you going to keep this court date, or are you going to waive the court date?
You said January 26th, that's keep the court date, isn't it?
January 20th, 2026. Okay. All right, Mr. Ray, you take care.
Hey, Sean. It's not, I mean, it's 8 o'clock for me. I'm on the West Coast, so it's not late for me, but I sort of shifted to East Coast.
Good morning,
for a
sir.
while
What is your
there.
name?
Colton Vincent.
You're charged with criminal trespass. The bond is $500. You're also charged with public drunkenness. The bond is $1,000. You have a total bond amount of $1,500. I am going to approve you for court appointed attorney. Your next court date is January 20th, 2026. Do you have any questions for me?
If I have money on my books, can I find myself?
You're gonna have to see what the sheriff's office says with regards to that, all right?
I'm sorry?
You're asking if you can bond yourself out?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to get somebody to assist you, yes, but I did approve you an attorney, so you can ask your attorney, with regards to that, okay?
That will be.
Hey, wait, want me to go? Hey, I need to get right. I need to get right.
No, your attorney should be able to see you as soon as they get the paperwork from us, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, sir, you take care.
I'm listening to y'all. I'm listening right here, right?
It is so busy in that jail.
He gotta get right.
That's hurting my head. Also, Loretta, that's funny. You made me laugh. My kids are always fucking loitering. You didn't say
Right, Jill,
fucking,
who do
but
we
I
have
did.
next?
It reminds me, I saw this text thread, and it was like, Mom, can you come pick me up from this sleepover? The kids are yelling at me, and the dad keeps on touching me. And then the mom replies, no, I can't come get you. And she's like, why? And she replies, because that's your house and your husband and your kids. And it turns out it's her grown adult daughter. Anyways. I guess the lesson is don't fuck around in Georgia.
Hey, ma'am.
Good morning. What is your name?
D'Angelo, right?
Right, right. Give me one second. I'm sorry, can you repeat your first name?
D'Angelo, right?
Is that D apostrophe or D-E-E or D-I? It could be both, all three, right? Don't look at me like that,
Bill, can you hold
D'Angelo.
Mr. Wright and bring him back at the end, please?
That's right.
Oh, Mr. Wright, you fucked.
Can you give me 1 second as well, please?
Shit, what did he do?
She said, hold on, give her a second.
Yeah, she did.
Where is he gonna go? I can see the sun. Come on.
Oh, this is the best when we get to hear the gossip. Don't you dare mute it, bro. Oh, he did too. He did fucking too. Honestly, it's like a calm has overtaken.
Can you guys let me know who that individual was, please?
D'Angelo.
I can't hear you.
His name is Wright D'Angelo.
Not on the calendar.
He was on the first calendar, man.
So I'm looking at the calendar for 12/26 with all the folks. I know, I'm looking at the one for everyone. He's not on this calendar at all.
No, he's not on. He's coming. No. Hey, man. He's one person. We on the new list now, man. We got one person we need to begin before everybody else. There's one.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Can you let me know about
We're on a new
that
list
the last person? He's not on the calendar. Do you guys add him onto the calendar today?
ma'am. He was just on our list.
Okay, so he's not on the calendar today?
I'm guessing not, man.
Okay, so I'm gonna need you guys to send me the paperwork for him so I can address his bond this morning.
People don't have no paperwork for him, man. He was on the list, that's all.
Okay, if he's on the list though, then I'm gonna need to see him. Is that right? Can you just let me know when?
No, ma'am.
Your Honor, he was booked in as a fugitive of justice. Then
Okay.
later booked in as a wanted person located for another county. In that state, just another county.
Okay, so he's not someone in our jail that needs to be seen. Is that what you're saying?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, who's the next person?
Get Williams.
Her judicial
We're on the next sheet for
senses
twenty
are
twenty-six, man.
tingling.
I mean, 2026, man. Hey, it's the witness, the lady. The lady. The lady.
You guys, gender is fluid. Oh, fuck. What?
Again.
Dewana Centuries Crocker.
Cocker?
All right.
Good morning.
Morning. Give me 1 second, Ms. Walker. All right, Ms. Crocker, you are charged battery family violence. The bond amount of that is $2,500. You're to stay away from Geneva Arnold, and you're not to return to 4805 Bartlett Road. Give me 1 second. I'll give you your preliminary hearing date.
Geneva. I haven't heard
It
that
is
name.
January 27th, 2026. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you, okay? Do you want to keep your court date, I'm sorry, or do you want to waive that court date?
Oh, we could keep it rolling.
All right, take care, Ms. Crocker.
Keep it
Thank
rolling.
you, you as well. We finished. God bless you. Happy holidays.
Yes,
Bye,
ma'am.
bye.
Next, lady.
And then, they don't see me got my son.
She got vibes.
Hello, my name is Lena Bell.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
Lena Bell.
All right, Ms. Bell, you are charged with improper lane change. The bond is 500. Driving with a container, the bond is 500. And violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act, the bond is 2,500. You have a total bond amount of $3,500. Your next court date is January 26th, 2026. I did review the application you made for court appointing counsel. I'm going to appoint an attorney to represent you. All right, Ms. Bell? You're welcome. Good morning. ma'am.
Sheena Cullen.
All right, Ms. Collins, you have a charge for aggravated assault, family violence. The bond on that is $15,000. You are to stay away from Alexander Lopez. You are not to return to 501 Meadowview Road. Your next court date is January 26th, 2026.
You said what was the court date?
January 26th, 2026.
And how much my bond?
I did review the application you made for court appointing counsel. I'm going to approve you. Your bond again is $15,000. All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning. What is your name?
Good morning, Rochelle Cheatham.
Ms. Cheatham. You are charged with battery family violence. The bond is $2,500. You're to stay away from Beverly Brooks, and you're not to return to 4886 Courtney Drive, apartment B4 in Forest Park. Your next court date is January 27th, 2026. I did review the application you made for court appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you want to keep your court date or waive your court date?
I can keep my court date. If I bail out, I just come to that court date. Is that correct?
You bail out the court date, speak with your attorney with regards to that, but generally, if you bail out, the court date goes away.
Okay, then I just wait to hear what the next court date is.
Yes, ma'am.
I do have a question. I do apologize.
It's about the facts, Miss Cheatham. I cannot help you with that, okay? Just to make sure it's not about the facts.
Oh, no. I just wanted to know where was I supposed to go and live if that's my address.
I understand that, but unfortunately, because this is a battery family violence, you're not allowed to go back to that address, okay?
Okay, and how much is the bail again? I'm sorry.
It's $2,500.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Morning, what is your name?
Good morning, how you doing? I'm Shaquille Hines.
Miss Hines?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, you're charged with aggravated assault. I'm unfortunately not able to give you a bond this morning, Ms. Hines. However, you will need to stay away from McHanyu, MIKHAYAHU, McCall, MCCALL. You cannot return at any point in time to 1915 Garden Court in Consford. You have preliminary hearing date of January 21st, 2020. I'm sorry, January 2026, and your bond date is January 30th.
So I have a bond, my bond here will be on the 30th.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, you take care. Good morning.
Good morning, y'all. How you doing?
Okay, what is your name?
Angela Houston.
All right, Ms.
Angela.
Houston, you're charged with battery family violence. Your bond is $2,500. You're not to return to the Efficiency Lodge at 513-229 Courtney Drive in Forest Park, and you're to stay away from ZAKIE, John Tavius, HESTER. Your next court date, Ms. Houston, is January 27th, 2026. I did review your application for court appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you want to keep your court date or do you want to waive that court date?
I'm gonna keep it.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna keep the court date.
Okay, all right. All right, Ms. Houston, you take good care, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. What is your name?
Nancy Johnson.
All right, Ms. Johnson, you're charged with 2 counts of simple battery. The bond on each of those is $2,500. You're also charged with terroristic threat, and you're also charged with possession of marijuana less than an ounce. The total bond amount is $7,000. You're to stay away from Robert Smith and Nicole Turner. Your preliminary hearing date is 1/27/26. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you on these charges. Do
They
you have
have,
any?
they have guardianship over me.
Okay, I understand that, but based on the charges that you have, I have to do a no contact on this, okay?
So where do I go? Cause all my stuff is out.
I can allow you to go back once to get your things from the home. All right, so I will put that in there that you can go back to get your things.
I think frozen grapes are good as
All right,
well
Ms. Johnson,
because
I'm gonna keep this
it
quickly
doesn't
for you as well.
dilute your drink and it cools it down. As long as you don't like crush them. Also, I like to eat frozen grapes. Oh my god, so good. Why didn't I buy grapes? Now I'm mad at myself. I only bought shrimp. Oh.
Okay, all right, you take care. Okay.
Let's set some of this.
All right, good afternoon, what is your name?
Jerome Love.
Love?
All right, Ms. Love, you're charged with 2 counts of simple assault, family violence. The bond in each of those is $3,500. You're also charged with aggravated assault, $15,000. You give me 1 minute, I'll give you the total amount of your bond. 22,000. You're to stay away from Terry Smith, and you're not to return to 504 Chase Ridge Drive. I have a probable cause hearing date or the preliminary hearing date for 1/26/2026. I reviewed the application you made for court appointed counsel, Ms. Love. Unfortunately, you do not qualify for court appointed services. Are you gonna
Oh my god. First of all, Miss Donna, thank you so much. So lovely to see you. Wow. And gifting memberships, reigning green. Look at all these people getting memberships. And then she says the first one tonight who has not qualified for an attorney, finally. Thank you, Miss Donna. Appreciate you so much. Happy Merry Christmas and happy early New Year. I hear Mikey's having a New Year's party. I don't know what the address is though.
All right, Miss Smith. Miss Love, I'm sorry. You have any questions for me?
Miss Love, I thought
You
you were
have any
talking to me
questions
for a
for me?
second.
This is my first time.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. All right. You take care, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Good morning. What is your name?
Tony Williams.
I'm so sorry. Can you repeat that for me?
Tony Williams.
Oway Williams?
Give me 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
My Ninja Creamy made the first Greek yogurt yesterday. Delicious. Delicious.
All right. Can you repeat that for me? Your name?
It was
Tony
delicious.
Williams, TOENAY.
And the last name?
Williams.
Okay. All right, Miss Williams. You are charged with criminal trespass on the bond. The bond is $1,500. You are to stay away from Drayshawn Jones. I did review the application with the court going counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your next court date is January 27th, 2026. Are you gonna keep that court date or are you gonna waive that court date?
If I keep the court day, will I still be able to make bond?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I also have a question?
If it's about the facts, I can't hear it, okay?
I'm sorry?
If it's about the facts of the case, I cannot hear it.
No, ma'am, I just had a question about, where am I supposed to go? Because Drayshawn lives in my property. The lease is in my name and my kids are currently there with Drayshawn Jones.
Okay, so do you need what? Do you need me to allow you to go back to the property with the sheriff's office to get your things?
And my kids.
Okay, all right, I will indicate that, all right?
Because how do we supposed to go about it? If he offers to leave the house, can I stay there with my kids because it's in my name?
Well, it says you have to stay away from him, all right?
Right, that's what I'm saying. If he decides to vacate my premises.
Well, what I have here is stay away from Drayshawn Jones and you can go back to get your things. So you just can't violate what's
Oh,
on the
I guess I'm saying like if you guys hear on the court day that
Streamlabs,
he.
why don't you post it? Do. It says a pair character dancing under a rain of confetti and taking his hat off to say, "You are amazing." Thank you. You are amazing, Miss Donna. Thank you so much. I love that the pair is dancing. And it is, you did not read that wrong. It is 38 degrees here right now. Feels like 35. It's cold. And it's cloudy. Thanks, Tips. It's cloudy. I wish I was in Florida. I wish I was in Florida. Oh, I'm so jealous of, did you say 74 tomorrow, Donna? Oh, jealous. Thank you again.
Vacated the premises, will I be allowed to go back to the place where I rent?
So as long as you have no contact with him at all, you should be okay.
Okay.
All right.
You.
You're welcome.
Come on, man. We headed to the mail, John.
All right, thank you.
If I went to a rave, I think I'd be done
Good
for the
morning, what
whole
did you
year
do?
of next year too.
I'm so sorry.
Bars Andrews.
All right. All right, sir, can you repeat your name? I cannot hear you properly, so I'm not able to find you on my calendar.
DeVars Andrews.
Andrews, okay. All right, Mr. Andrews, give me 1 second. All right, Mr. Andrews, you're charged with not obeying the traffic signals. The bond is $500. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce. The bond is $1,000. Violation of the Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is $2,500. I have a total bond amount here for $8,500. You have a preliminary hearing date scheduled for 1/26/2026. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel, Mr. Andrews. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. All
Yes,
right. You take good care, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I got to cuddle with the doggy today. I love it.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your name, sir?
Marquino Adams.
All right, Mr. Adams, you are charged with theft by shoplifting. Your bond on that is $3,500. You are also charged with obstruction. The bond is $2,500. And you are also charged with possession of marijuana less than an ounce. Total approximate bond this morning is, give me 1 second. It's approximately on my end, I have 6,100. Your next court date is January 26th, 2026. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you, Mr. Adams. All right. Okay, so you take care. You too. Good morning. What is your name?
Isaiah Densett.
All right, Mr. Jensen, you are charged with battery, family violence, obstruction, and possession of marijuana less than an ounce. I'm unfortunately not able to give you a bond this morning, sir.
Wait, what was that? You said you're not able to give me a bond and what?
You're on probation. You are, however, you need to stay within Kirby Thompson, and you, on that bond order that I'm gonna send over showing the no bond, you have to stay away from 5882 Misty View Drive. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you, sir. You have a bond hearing date of January 30th, 26, and a preliminary hearing date of January 26th. I'm sorry, January 27th, I'm sorry. 2026. All right, do you need me to repeat anything?
You said I'm to stay away from 5882 Misty View Drive.
That's correct, and Kirby Thompson.
Okay, thanks. I want to say, did you say something before that, or is that all?
That's all, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, my computer is telling me it's almost done. It's saying, Paisley, run, run, run. The good news is there's a new computer coming. The great news is it should be here by Monday. So that's really good. But my camera doesn't normally freeze like that, and that's twice tonight. I'm just like Creed. I just get pissed off. Just get pissed off. I can't handle it. Can't handle it. Don't need to. But I work early tomorrow, but I will be on tomorrow. It'll be earlier than tonight. It'll be like a 5 p.m. No, well, that's Colin. Maybe like 5:40. A 5:40 Pacific. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight. I'm glad that you are here and not getting in trouble. Please don't get in trouble like the people down in Georgia. You have to be careful. Please be careful. Thank you again, Miss Donna. Thank you everybody who was so generous tonight and sent over gifts and donos. It's amazing. And CRD, happy early New Year. Please come back soon. I love it. I love, love, love it. You made me laugh, and I appreciate each and every one of you for being here tonight. Do me a favor. Remember that I love you, and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye.
Ways down in red.